You care about the quality of the supplements you use, but how can you be sure of the safety and accuracy of their contents? Knowing that they have been independently tested to be free of harmful and banned substances helps you feel confident in the products you choose. That's why NSF International developed the Certified for Sport program. NSF is an independent and accredited organization with a mission to protect and improve global human health. The NSF Certified for Sport mark on a product helps athletes, coaches, trainers, and consumers make educated decisions when they purchase supplements. This is because the Certified for Sport program is one of the most comprehensive supplement certification programs in the world. Professional sports leagues such as Major League Baseball and the NHL and CFL clubs are permitted to provide and recommend only products that are certified for sport. And Certified for Sport is also recommended by many other global sports and anti-doping associations, because to be certified, products go through a rigorous process. First of all, NSF audits the manufacturing facility for US FDA's Good Manufacturing Practices requirements and industry best practices twice every year. Then, the contents of the product are checked to make sure that what's on the label is in the product. Next, we perform a toxicological review to verify the product formula and the label claims are accurate. Then, we carry out testing to determine there are no harmful levels of contaminants, such as heavy metals, pesticides, and more. And finally, products are tested for over 272 substances banned by professional sports leagues and anti-doping organizations. And because we want to make sure products continue to comply, the audits and the product tests are repeated frequently. Certified products display the Certified for Sport mark on their label, are listed on nsfsport.com, and can also be found in the easy-to-use Certified for Sport app. So always look for the Certified for Sport mark to make sure you select tested, cleaner supplements.